look ahead.
Steps across that line. In all alone. Score!
Always interesting, guys, after the first goal is scored, whether the team that scored is going to continue to attack or whether they'll sit back a little bit.
Some shots, only one goal.
A lot of opportunities. Love the mindset of getting pucks and people to the net.
Snapping a pass to Aiken. Can start the attack going in the zone. He scores!
Now that the scoring's been opened up, we'll see if the opponent can punch their way back into this game. You can't be back on your heels too long.
So he played a while in this period, and finally a goal.
I was hoping, Doc, that we were going to get that first one.
A howitzer. Score! And so an early strike. First goal of the night.
The key, once you score one, try and get another. Push them back on their heels. They've got one, go get two.
Minnesota's ahead by one goal here in the first period. A lot of time still left to play, but to make the first play. Skates it into the zone. Shoots. He scores! Nice beginning if you're the home squad. Up 1-0.
Well, they jumped up on the bench beside me pretty quickly here. Very excited on the one side to have the game's first goal.
Tampa Bay's got the early lead.
What a start, just like the coach drew it up.
Badly. Great defensive poke. What a score! What a power play these guys have.
A one-goal lead can seem like an enormous thing. You get one on the power play, and now your whole bench is energized. This is good work by the power play group.
The Blues have broken the tie, and we're still in the second period. Much uncertainty about which way